guys, it's like Stars Trains HD and welcome back. Today I decided to do a cheeky little session of trains on a Thursday evening. Well, I would say Thursday night, but as you can see, getting quite busy here.
This service is on platform 3, platform next to platform 4, and platform 3.
Waiting for some special trains to go past, guys, tonight. I think it's something to do with West Coast Railway, and there'll be a freight train as well, much later tonight. That's the Exeter Central train that was, guys, I believe. Yeah, so like I said, I decided to do a little video before this special train goes through. There you got on platform 4 this Great Western Railway service to Penzance. Platform 5 looks like he's going the same way, I think. Not sure what that train is on platform 5 actually. But yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds, guys. (43-144) at the front. (43-170) at the back. And you got the Exeter train just went out as well. I think doing a night video, guys, just makes it feel that bit special. So you got this one over here, the Duke of Edinburgh's Award Diamond Anniversary. I've never seen that nameplate yet, but I have now. So we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. 43022 at the front, and that's actually going that way. Bit weird to see a train go that way on platform 5, guys. Lines 1 and 3 are back in action now. I can only assume it's due to a lot of trains, a lot of congestion. So why this is on platform 5. 43-159 at the back. Don't think I've seen that number yet, so that's good. Okay, guys, well, we'll come back in a few seconds with, well, you know what I'm going to see here, don't you guys? Another train. There you guys. London Paddington train coming in. I think it'll be one of those IETs. Here by the announcer, this is going London Paddington via Bristol Temple Meads.
And London Paddington. This train has 10 coaches. First class accommodation is situated in coaches 1, 2, 6 and 7.
customer announcement. This year, Network Rail will be electrifying the line between Reading and Newton.
800-020 on the train, right at the front of the train. We got your number at the back as well. And 800-019. So that's quite tidy. So 800-020 and 800-019, guys. So we'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Okay guys, got the London passenger train now departing. Okay guys, that's that train, so we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, back, we got the South Western Railway service just terminated here. Love this livery.
Text
159009 on the train. Have to let me know in, you have to let me know in the comments, guys, if you prefer the blue and silver livery there. I certainly prefer that livery, or do you prefer the old red livery? And we'll come back in a few seconds with another train.
Coaches of the train will detach and terminate here. Newton St. Sires, Yeoford, Copplestone, Morchard Road, Lapford, Kings Nipton and Umberley are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor of the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave.
153 369 at the front and the 143 619 at the back. Apparently this Barnstable train here, guys, will divide, so that's interesting. So we'll come back in a few seconds with, well, you know what I'm going to see here, guys, don't you? Another train. Okay guys, here we got another IET passing by. .802.002 and 802.001. Actually, I didn't expect that, so that's a nice little bonus there, guys. So we'll come back in a few seconds with, well, there's nothing else to say, is there, guys? You know what I'm going to see here? Another train. Okay guys, back. We got a 9-coach cross-country train coming in. That's right, 9-coach. We don't often get that. Yeah. At least not all the time you don't get it anyway. But we do get it now and again, so that's just good to see. I'll see it's going to be a 220 and a 221 together. We'll try and catch the numbers, and this is going to Plymouth. The 221 and 135 at the front, so I can only assume in the 220s at the back, guys. So we'll catch it as it goes out, so we'll come back then. Okay guys, back. We got the 9-coach cross-country service now ready to depart. Exeter 220 013 at the back. Okay guys, that's that train. We'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, we're back. We got the Exeter Central train now leaving. It's actually quite smart this is. This train actually came in a few minutes ago. I had 3 coaches, but the one coach at the back of this train undetached, and that one coach went to Barnstable, and this one's going to Central, so that was quite smart, I will say. You also know what the number is on the train, 143619. Okay guys, that'll do then for trains at Exeter St David's on this Thursday evening, well, late Thursday evening. Hope you enjoyed this video. I have to say, I'm glad I came. It was a nice variety of trains today, from IETs to Great Western HSTs and to that 9-coach cross-country Voyager service. So all these trains I didn't expect actually turned up. Oh, and that South Western Railway train. So yeah, make sure to give this video a like, guys, and don't forget to comment away in the comment section below as well, guys. So yeah, I'll see you soon with another video. Cheers, guys.